Hey everyone, welcome back. Don't these biscuits look delicious? If you guys would like to know how I cook these biscuits in the Ninja Foodi 3-in-1 under the tender crisp baked roast setting, stay tuned to this video so that you too will be able to make you some delicious breakfast biscuits from frozen in your Ninja Foodi 3-in-1 under the tender crisp lid. Let's go ahead, you guys, and let's get into this video. But first, pour your Ninja Foodi out, get you some frozen biscuits out, and let's do this together, step by step. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today I decided I was going to cook me some breakfast. It's Sunday morning and I had me a taste for some good old country grits, some sausage, some scrambled eggs with cheese, some bacon, and some biscuits. No, I'm not making my biscuits from scratch today. I wanted to test my Ninja Foodi out to see if my Ninja Foodi could actually cook a biscuit. And as a matter of fact, I want to test it out to see if it can cook a frozen biscuit. Here you see I have my Ninja Foodi. And I have some Grand's biscuits. You know, the Pillsbury Grand's biscuits. They are frozen. I just took them out of the oven. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the instructions. I'm going to heat my Ninja Foodi up to, as you can see here, it says 375 degrees. Okay? And then it says place frozen biscuits, sides touching as suggested, as you can see right here on this little pan that they have. Like that. Same way you would in the oven. And bake as directed. So 1 to 6 biscuits, 22 to 26 minutes. 7 to 12 biscuits, 25 to 30 minutes. I don't know how many I can fit in here, but we're going to see. And we're going to prepare them according to the instructions. So let me go ahead and heat my Ninja Foodi up. Okay. So let's turn it on. Okay. So I'm going to hit the start button. That's how you turn your Ninja Foodi on. Okay. And then I'm going to hit the bake roast button, okay? And it already has 375 degrees on it. So I'm gonna hit start to heat it up, okay? I'm gonna give it about these 10 minutes that it had to heat it up, 10 to 14 minutes. And once it's heated up, I'm going to come back and we are going to place our biscuits in our Ninja Foodi. Okay, so it actually only took about 5 minutes to heat my Ninja Foodi up. I guess it's got hot enough to where my smoke detector alarm came off, but there's no smoke, it's just heat that comes out the top. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray the inside, the bottom, so the biscuits don't stick. I'm going to spray it good because I don't want my biscuits to stick. And then I'm just going to place them in here one by one. These have butter in them, y'all see that? Okay. I got my sausage in the oven. Ooh, that's hot. Y'all be careful. Don't do what I just did. Okay. It says to let them touch. Okay. So, actually, I'm getting more than 6 in here, as you guys can see. So, it's taking quite a good amount of these biscuits. I know they're going to spread out. So, I should maybe get one more in here. Okay, y'all. So, these are the biscuits They ended Ninja Foodi, so I'm gonna get ready to close it up. Okay, it's at 375, and we are going to set a timer for 26 minutes. So, because we're gonna cook it just like we did in the oven. Do that you would in the oven. I'm gonna come back and check it after a certain time period to see how it looks and how far it's gotten. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and try to fix the rest of my breakfast. Okay, so I'll be back when I come back to check on them halfway through to see how it turns out. These frozen biscuits in the Ninja Foodi. I hope this works, you guys. Okay, you guys, so it has cooked approximately 13 minutes in the Ninja Foodi. And as you guys can see, that biscuits from frozen can actually cook in the Ninja Foodi. I haven't picked one up to open it to check the inside, but as you can see, it's actually cooking. And the top is actually brown. I'm going to cut one open just to see how much longer it's going to take, or if it is already done, or do I need to flip it over. So hold on, you guys. Let me get me something to, let me get a knife or something to cut it open with. Okay. Okay, so I got me a little plastic butter knife. And I'm going to cut it open to see if it has to cook any longer. Okay, so that's the middle. So I think it's going to take probably about 3 or 4 more minutes. And let's go ahead and let's let that finish cooking, okay? But as you can see, it's cooking up nicely, okay? Okay, so I've closed the lid back, and I'm going to come back and check on that in about, let's say about 3 or 4 minutes. Maybe the inside should be done no longer than 5 minutes. But as you can see so far, it is actually cooking in the Ninja Foodi. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to check it after these 4 minutes, when it's going to end up being 5 by the time we open it up, to see if it's completed or do it needs to finish off the rest of the way. So let's go ahead and let's open it, you guys, and let's see. So I'm opening up my Tender Crisp lid. Okay. With the Tender Crisp lid in the Ninja Foodi, you don't have to stop it and restart it and set the timer or anything over. It's going to pick up right where it left off. For those of you who don't have a Ninja Foodi and you're looking to buy one, that's just one of the things to it. Okay. So let me go ahead. That's the one that we did before. Let's try another one. Okay. I'm going to try this one. We'll see where I put my little butter knife. You guys. And let's open this one to see if it's done on the inside, because this is a different one. Oh wow, it's done, you guys. It's cooked thoroughly all the way through, and it didn't take the whole 26 minutes in the Ninja Foodi, and I cooked these from frozen in my Ninja Foodi. Yes, you guys, you can cook frozen biscuits in the Ninja Foodi, and I did put it at the correct temperature that the bag stated. These are the Pillsbury Grand Butter Tasting Biscuits. I hope you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Please share, subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned to my channel for another video. And so far, I have enjoyed my Ninja Foodi, you guys. No, they're not paying me to promote it. It's just something that I invested in. because it's a 3-in-1. It's a pressure cooker, an air crisp, a slow cooker, and as you can see, you can bake in it as well. You guys have a wonderful day. I'm going to go ahead and get my breakfast finished and get to grubbing on this Sunday morning. Peace. Have a beautiful day.